love stories are classic, you know, in a sense, and there's various ways of telling it. And this is Sanjay Leela Bhansali's way of telling a love story. He's done it with, you know, Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam. He's done it with Devdas. So I think the most special part is how he's going to tell another love story, but in another interesting way, with a new background, you know, with new actors, with a completely new palette. You know, I think Gujarat as a culture itself is something that one is not really explored too much in Hindi cinema, and I think that also is going to be a very exciting part of the film. So it's not just the love story, but also where it's set and the world of the film. Yeah.
मैं तो बस यही कहना चाहूँगा कि मिस्टर भंसाली के साथ काम करने को मिला at such a nascent stage in my career. It's a really, really big deal for me actually, because he truly is a master director. He's a master of his craft. And yes, it is Romeo and Juliet, the classic quintessential love story of two young lovers torn by their warring clans. But it's Mr. Bhansali's take, as is Ram, is my take on Romeo. And Juliet for Deepika. It really is, like she said, you know, Gujarat is not explored too much. You saw a flash of it in Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam. This is a very different Gujarat that Mr. Bhansali is exploring here. And I think the excitement, at least for me, an admirer of his films and his cinema, is to look forward to this world that he's created, you know, because it's always original. The kind of, and he is a Gujarati himself. He knows that culture like the back of his hand. That's what's added to the value of the film. It's a, you know, it makes it extra special.
There was a moment where I kind of broke down today for some strange reason. I don't know why, but I think it also is sort of like to see all the effort that we've all put in. It's not been easy, you know. It's been a really, really mentally, emotionally, physically demanding film over 1 year. And the fact that he is a perfectionist, you know, he doesn't let go of anything. And he looks at things a certain way, and it has to more or less be that way. You know, he has a vision, and it has to, I mean, everyone sort of works towards that. So it's obviously been a very tough journey. You know, as exciting as it was and as challenging as it was, it's also been quite tough. So today, to kind of see all of that come together, and I did get a little emotional.
हमारे जो ये रणवीर सिंह है, बहुत ही कमाल के आदमी है. उनको कंटेन करने में मेरे आधी एनर्जी शिफ्ट बढ़ गई है, क्योंकि वो उनको रोकने के लिए एक आधी शिफ्ट जाती है उसमें. तो गॉड ब्लेस यू एंड कीप and always be as energetic as you are, because that's your magic.
First time Mr. Bhansali is doing action, and there is lyricism in everything that he does, and there is lyricism in the action as well, and it looks absolutely stunning. But the film really is a wholesome Hindi film. You know, इसमें romance है, गाने हैं, dance है, action है, drama है, banter है. So you'll get everything that you look for in a nice, wholesome, packed to the hilt Hindi film.